Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Kind of a cool looking graphic that anybody can make and pretty easy, pretty simple. And you could really play around with it. And I think you could make it extra special. I'm going to take a rectangle tool holding down the control button, and then I'm going to hit P, but I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to make a duplicate and I'm just going to nudge it up. And you could change the size of that or whatever you want. The reason the other triangle or the rectangle is there is to have something to snap to the center. So we're going to go right here and go snap to the center. Go right here and to snap to the center. Go right here and snap to the node. Then you can, if you work in the center of the page, you can get rid of that. Now, there's several, the color uh, idea could be, anything. I'm going to make them all the same color right now, and then I'm going to change this and use the interactive fill tool to maybe make a little blue on the outside or black even, or I'm trying to keep away from black because I want to put a black background on this one. Something like that. Then you could pick that one and do the same thing with blue, and you might want to make them a little bit different so you can see the difference. So you might want to put some blue down on this end and then maybe make it a little, maybe like something like that. Just give it a little, I really think the gray kind of did a good deed. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to alternate C, which puts it rotate from the center. And I could rotate it with the duplicate, but I've started lately using the Docker, if you leave it open and transform or transformation, 30 degrees. We need a dozen of them, but we've already got one. Whenever Corel asks you for copies, they're going to use the original. Now, if we take that thing and put a black box around it, and this would be a very good one to clone, because then you could change the way that things looked. And you could, still select it all, and I don't know that I got them all, and right click and put an outline on it. Make it either that color or the dark color or black. And it's kind of a neat graphic. This would be a really good one to clone, and then you could change the way it looks while you're looking at it in real time. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.